Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning app. Let's have a look at Class 10, Science. Unit 1, Laws of Motion. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Inertia of a body depends on. Options are A. Weight of the object. B. Acceleration due to gravity of the planet. C. Mass of the object. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is C. Mass of the object. Question 2. Impulses equals to. Options are A. Rate of change of momentum. B. Rate of force and time. C. Change of momentum. D. Rate of change of mass. Correct answer is C. Change of momentum. Question 3. Newton's 3 law is applicable. Options are A. For a body is at rest. B. For a body in motion. C. Both A and B. D. Only for bodies with equal masses. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question 4. Plotting a graph for momentum on x-axis and time on y-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives. Options are A. Impulsive force. B. Acceleration. C. Force. D. Rate of force. Correct answer is C. Force. Question 5. In which of the following spot the turning off effect of force used? Options are A. Swimming. B. Tennis. C. Cycling. D. Hockey. Correct answer is C. Cycling. Question 6. The unit of G is in LT. Sub-alias equals ms power minus 2 and gt. ms2 and lt semicolon slash sub and gt. It can be also expressed as. Options are A. cms1. B. nkg1. C. nm2. D. cm2s2. Correct answer is B. nkg1. Question 7. 1 kilogram force equals to. Options are A. 9.8 dyne. B. 9.8 times 10 to the power of 4 n. C. 98 times 10 to the power of 4 dyne. D. 980 dyne. Correct answer is C. 98 times 10 to the power of 4 dyne. Question 8. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as mkg. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kg. Options are A. 4m. B. 2m. C. m/4. D. m. Correct answer is D. m. Question 9. If the Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of a body on the Earth will. Options are A. Decrease by 50%. B. Increase by 50%. A. Decrease by 50%. B. Increase by 50%. C. Decrease by 25%. D. Increase by 300%. Correct answer is D. Increase by 300%. Question 10. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Options are A. Newton's third law of motion. B. Newton's law of gravitation. C. Law of conservation of linear momentum. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is D. Both A and C. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. To produce a displacement dash is required. Correct answer is force. Question 2. Passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by dash. Correct answer is inertia of motion / Newton's first law. Question 3. By convention, the clockwise moments are taken as dash and the anti-clockwise moments are taken as dash. Correct answer is negative, positive. Question 4. Dash is used to change the speed of car. Correct answer is gear. Question 5. A man of mass 100 kilograms has a weight of dash at the surface of the earth. Correct answer is 980 n. Match the following. Question 1. Newton's I law. Correct answer is stable equilibrium of a body. Question 2. Newton's 2 law. Correct answer is law of force. Question 3. Newton's 3 law. Correct answer is flying nature of bird. Question 4. Law of conservation of linear momentum. Correct answer is propulsion of a rocket. True or false? Question 1. The linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved. Correct answer is false. The linear momentum of a system of particles is conserved when no external force is applied. Correct statement. The linear momentum of a system of particles is conserved when no external force is applied. Question 2. Apparent weight of a person is always equal to his actual weight. Correct answer is false. Apparent weight of a person is equal to his actual weight when he / lift is at rest, and it varies depending on the movement of the lift. Correct statement. Apparent weight of a person is equal to his actual weight when he / lift is at rest, and it varies depending on the movement of the lift. Question 3. Weight of a body is greater at the equator and less at the polar region. Correct answer is false. Weight of a body is lesser at the equator and greater at the polar region. Correct statement. Weight of a body is lesser at the equator and greater at the polar region. Question 4. Turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is so easy than one with a long handle. Correct answer is false. Turning a nut with a spanner having a long handle is so easy than one with a short handle. Correct statement. Turning a nut with a spanner having a long handle is so easy than one with a short handle. Question 5. There is no gravity in the orbiting space station around the Earth, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. Correct answer is false. Astronauts and orbiting space station are under free fall condition with same acceleration, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. Correct statement. Astronauts and orbiting space station are under free fall condition with same acceleration, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. Assertion and reason. Assertion. The sum of the clockwise moments is equal to the sum of the anticlockwise moments. Reason. The principle of conservation of momentum is valid if the external force on the system is 0. Correct answer is B. Both the assertion and the reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion. The value of g decreases as height and depth increases from the surface of the Earth. Reason. G depends on the mass of the object and the Earth. Correct answer is C. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. Thanks for watching. For more solutions, quizzes and tests, visit our website or download our mobile app, the Learning.app.